Hello everybody out there. This session is all about addition of integers. I'm sure we all know how to add two whole numbers on the number line. Now what we will try to do is we'll try to extend the same method for addition of integers using the number line. Let's take a few sums like this, we have 6 plus 3, or positive 6 plus positive 3. Another one, negative 6 added to negative 3. Next one, a positive integer added to a negative integer. A negative integer added to a positive integer. So we will try to understand this or try to solve this with the help of the number line, and then we'll try to do it without the number line. So let me draw the number line first for you. To solve the first one, that is positive 6 plus positive 3. So here is our number line, and as we all know, we have the 0, which is neither positive nor negative. And then we have the positive integers on the right hand side. Yes, you have positive 4, positive 5, positive 6, positive 7, positive 8, positive 9, and it can go on, but I'm going to stop here as of now. On the left hand side of 0, we've got the negative integers. Yes, so you have negative 1, then negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, and you can go on if you want to. So let's take the first sum, positive 6 plus positive 3. Now, how do we do that? So let's first go from 0, which is neither positive nor negative. We are going to go to 6. Yes, it's highlighted positive 6. So I'm going to go to 6 here. Yes, positive 6 and plus 3. Plus 3 means you take 3 steps forward, right? So you have 1, 2, and 3. Where are we? We are at positive 9. So positive 6 plus positive 3 is positive 9. How's that? Now we'll try to solve the second one, negative 6 plus negative 3. Let me draw the number line for you now. Yes, you have our number line out here. We have our 0, which is neither positive nor negative. And then we have the positive integers to the right of 0, positive 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And to the left hand side, we have our negative integers, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10. So the second one, that is negative 6 plus negative 3. Now, as we all know, these two integers are negative integers, and the negative integers are onto the left side of 0. So let's go from 0 to negative 6. Yes, 0 to negative 6. From 0 to negative 6. Here we are. Add it to negative 3. So when I say add negative 3 to a number means 3 steps to the left of the number. 3 steps to the left of the number. 1 and a 2 and a 3. Where are we? We are at negative 9. Here are we? Negative 9. How's that? So did you observe a pattern out here? When we add two positive integers, we get a positive integer. And when we add two negative integers, we add it and we get a negative integer. Isn't that easy? Now let's try to go to the third one, which is a positive integer added to a negative integer. Let's draw a number line to understand it better. Yep. Here we are, a lovely number line. 0, which is neither positive or negative. He seems to like both the sides, both positives and negatives. Yeah, and then we designate our integers on the number line. The positive side, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, and of course on the negative side we got on the left hand side we got a negative integers, that is negative 1, negative 2. Sometimes you also read as minus 1, minus 2, the way whichever is comfortable for you. But don't get distracted when you have the minus, the operation minus sign and the integer sign. That's why I just refer to as positive and negative. Yeah. So we have the third one as positive 6 added to negative 3. So positive 6 means I am going to go from 0 to positive 6. We know the positives on the right hand of 0, so I'm going to go to positive 6. Now when I say added to negative 3, what do you mean by negative 3? Means moving 3 steps to the left of the number. 1 and a 2 and a 3. Here we are. It is 3. So positive 6 added to negative 3, you get positive 3. What if the first one is negative 6 added to positive 3? So let us try to draw a number line again for the fourth one. Good. As usual, a 0. And we have our positive integers onto the right hand of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I repeat, 0 is neither positive nor negative, and onto the right hand of 0, you have the positive integers, and into the left side, yes, you're right, negative integers. So you have negative 2, yes, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10. So the fourth one is the negative 6 one here. Negative 6 plus positive 3. Negative 6 plus positive 3. Now negative 6 to the left hand side of 0. Yes, 0 to negative 6. Add it to positive 3. Positive 3. You go forward, right? So 3 steps ahead. 1, 2, and 3. Where are we? We are at negative 3. Isn't that beautiful? So let us conclude, when we added 2 positive integers here, we got a positive integer. When we added 2 positive integers, we got a positive integer. When we added 2 negative integers, we added and we got a negative integer. Here we have a positive integer added to a negative integer. So it's not possible always to draw a number line, can we? But let us have an understanding that when you add a positive integer to a negative integer, you subtract and give the sign of the greater number out here. This is 6 here. Without the sign, this is 6 and this is 3. So we write positive 3. And here we have a negative integer added to a positive integer. You subtract, and then here we are, negative 3. How is that? So let me just write down a few sums for you, okay? For example, you have 9. Let me take another color to understand better. Since we understood, let's take a pink color. Yeah. So we have 9, positive 9 plus positive 2. That is, positive integer plus another positive integer gives us a positive integer. Look at the number line here. 9 plus 2 is 11. Are we clear? Let's take the next one. What if it is negative 8 added to negative 2? So here we have two negative integers like this. Negative 8 plus negative 2, we get you add and negative 10. Now what about a positive integer with a negative integer? That is 7 added to negative 3. You subtract and then here we have 4, right? What about a negative integer added to a positive integer? You get negative 4. How's that? So are we clear how to add integers? If not, write to me to explain it all over again. I do not mind explaining to you again and again and again. I hope you enjoyed and understood this session. I urge you to subscribe to my channel as there are many more videos coming up. Thank you.